back to my channel to talk about a new project called Time Universe, and more importantly I will show you how investors can participate in dollar time pre-sale step by step. If you like finding early crypto project before they hit exchanges, then this video is definitely for you. Time Universe is running the pre-sale where everyone can join and buy their token. That price is just 0.0012 BNB, which is 0.12 with 100% initial unlock. So without wasting your time, I will start a review about it. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start the review about Time Universe. Time Universe is running the pre-sale where everyone can join and buy their token. And but before that, before we begin, quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered financial advice. So do your own research before investing in it. So Time Universe, where the time becomes capital. You can see the time until round end is given, which is 2 hours. You can buy it now, and I will share with you that how you can do that, how you can connect your wallet. All the things will be given here. So you want to learn for someone who actually done it founders who built and existed, an athlete at the top of their game, a creator who really cracked the code but you cannot reach them, where the agents, gatekeepers and platforms content, not real conversation. So you end up burning months solving problems someone already solved because the knowledge exists. So you can see all that, where you can see the pre-sale. So here you can see act fast pre-sale price is given, which is 0.0001 to BNB, and the launch price will be given here, which is greater than that. You can go check it, and you can see the link in my video description and get into it and see all the details about it, which is given here. So it is live now, and you can see pre-sale progress. You can see it here, which is 88.1%, and you can buy with the BNB. For that you have to connect your wallet. I will just click on connect wallet. Here you can see you can connect the wallet which you have. I will go for the MetaMask one. You can see it is given, so we have to give the password here. I will give that and show it to you. See, you can go and just connect it here, so it can be connected here. You can see it here, my address is given. You can in that way connect. You can see pre-sale limited time offer is live. You can see it here. You can choose the payment method if you want to buy with a BNB, or you can buy with the crypto. You have to connect it by continuing. You agree terms and condition. If you want to buy with the BNB, you can see buy dollar time tokens. You have to pay with a BNB. Suppose if you want to buy with a 1 BNB, you can get such amount of dollar time, which is given here like 7,916 from here too. And other than that, if you want to buy with any other crypto, you can easily be able to buy with any other crypto, which is given here. You can see the crypto payments. You have to give the address amount like USD 100, and you have to select USDT, TRC20 or anyone you want. You have to give the basically amount here, and you have to give the address. You have to pay it here, and you will get that in that way. So it is all that the Time Universe solves all the gatekeeping mechanism, and it is the mechanics that are everywhere nowadays, with three products that work together like one system, the center of an ecosystem of three products, where time is the basically primary asset. Number one is basically the Time Heroes, where you can see, and the dating app is given. You can see that app from here, and you can easily go for it. Here is a dating and nearby meet up app, where you can see there is the offline engine that makes time is value ideal tangible in the real world. You match meet in person and confirm the meetup in the app. Meet uses NFT based SS levels to create, and you can see communities of like-minded high quality participants. You can go and you can even see and check it, learn more, and you can see all that from here. So I will just go back and share with you all this, where why does this matter. Basically it is you towards a bookable provide, and you can see interactions it for. Furthermore, if we talk about the Time Heroes, which is given here, so you can see a premium platform where fans buy real time access to celebrities and top experts. It is a premium access market. You can see marketplace. You discover experts or a public figures. Choose the formats like call, pay, chat, live streams, and IRL if they offer it. So you can see it here is the app also given which I share with you. Can join the exclusive Time Universe Clubs. First 500 of 10,000 limited NFTs. You can see it here. You post on Time Network, convert demand through the Time Heroes, or and even host IRL through Meet, all with one token trying to it. So you can see here is Time Pro, which is given. You can get NFT Time Top, which is given here. Here is also the Time Star, Time Universe giveaways given. You can buy $100 worth of time tokens and receives one NFT ticket to enter the giveaway. You can see the Lamborghini, and here you can easily be able to join that. Furthermore, you can see the details about it, where the time utility, where they have the platform fees, and you can see NFT transactions, marketplace, premium subscriptions, and governance. You can see the token where they have the supply of 10% to the team, 5% for coal. Total is 1 billion, from which 9% liquidity, 20% ecosystem, 4% for their pre-sale, which is going on. Must go and join it after doing your basically research. You can see the roadmap here. Basically, the roadmap, quarter 1 they are secured 750k, in quarter 2 which is also done. You can see these are done in quarter 1 of 2026, which is in the working progress, where they will go live on the DEX. In quarter 2 they will go for a social, and you can see network MVP. You can see it here, the quarter 3 of 2026, which is given here, and the quarter 1 to 27, which is also given here. You can read the details which is given here. It's all about that, and you can see they are going to build time crypto exchanges from here. Universe basically a white paper. You can see the details on the white paper too. You can even get more details before going and checking into it. You can check the Time Universe white paper from here, and you can see the details. Open the white paper, and every time someone books a call on the Time Heroes subscription to create and Time Network or unlock premium features across the ecosystem, they are paying in Time NFT marketplace transaction. The ecosystem that NFT, whether it's meets, assess tires, or the Time Network content, basically protection, buying, selling, trading, those NFTs all settle in the dollar time. Every NFT transaction creates token, and you can see velocity, and you can see all three products: Time of Heroes, Time Networks, and Meet, which is given here. I already share. You can see unified tokenomics, time use case, token allocation, which I already share. You can go into it. You can even go and check that the Connect wallet, and you can see the code option which is also going on. You can even see the basically post of Andrew Tate, which he gave in the start of it. You can get about it there. You can see people love to talk about Andrew Tate. Few understand why he wins. It's simple, he treats like a weapon, not the entertainment. So you can see it here. So furthermore, you can go and join them on their Twitter. You can get more news about them on it. So it is a time you can go and check it out. I share the detail about another white paper promise. It is a 3 real products launching right now: the Time of Heroes, Time Network, and Meet. The pre-sale is live right now, 100% unlocked at TGE, no vesting, pre-sale listing price. When it's hit CEX quarter 1 2026, you are competing with everyone else. Do not be the person who watches this, wait for more proof, and then FOMOs in after the first rally. You are really at right now. The window is open. The price will not be this low again. You can hide and go. You can see the links in my description area. This video is for educational purpose. Do your own research before going into it. Thank you so much.